Welcome to Beautyistic. You know, skincare isn't just for women. Guys deserve to treat their skin well too. And today we're talking about Bulldog's men's skincare and grooming original full face kit. If you've been looking for an all-in-one solution to your skincare routine, something simple, effective, and tailored to normal skin, this might just be your new best friend. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic and hit that bell icon so you never miss one of our expert reviews. Let's get into it. This Bulldog Original Full Face Kit includes 3 key products: a face wash, a face scrub, and a moisturizer. They've been designed specifically for men's skin, particularly for those who deal with the daily wear and tear that comes from shaving and general skin stress. This set promises a soothing yet refreshing experience, combining natural ingredients like aloe vera, camelina oil, and green tea to hydrate and protect. Plus, these products are free from synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, and animal-derived ingredients, perfect for the more conscious consumer. Now, how does it actually work in real life? I asked my husband to help me test this out, as this is a men's product. He's a fan of simple, no-fuss skincare, and he found the Bulldog line to be easy to incorporate into his routine. The face wash has a fresh, clean scent, not overpowering at all, and lathers up nicely, leaving his skin feeling clean without that tight, stripped feeling. The face scrub, which is a standout in this kit, uses natural exfoliants. It's gritty but not harsh, perfect for a gentle scrub that doesn't irritate. My husband especially liked how it felt on his skin, giving it that smooth post-shave feeling without causing any redness or irritation. Finally, the moisturizer is lightweight but effective. It absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, which my husband really appreciated. It's hydrating enough to last throughout the day, but not so heavy that it feels like he's wearing a layer of cream. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The Bulldog Original Full Face Kit excels in the ingredients department. Aloe vera and green tea provide antioxidant and calming properties, which are crucial for reducing redness and irritation from shaving. The fragrance is subtle, which is a big win for anyone who prefers their skincare to smell clean, but not overpowering. And the fact that it's all free from artificial additives is a big plus, especially for those with sensitive skin. On the downside, while the kit is certainly practical, it might feel a bit too basic for someone who's into multi-step skincare routines, or those looking for more advanced ingredients like retinol or vitamin C. But for an everyday skincare regimen, it ticks all the boxes for men looking for simplicity and effectiveness. In terms of value, the Bulldog kit is reasonably priced for the quality of ingredients you're getting. You're paying for solid, natural formulas that do the job without any unnecessary frills. If you're in the market for something more advanced, you might need to look elsewhere, but this is an excellent option for a straightforward, no-nonsense routine. If you're considering other options, there are plenty of men's skincare lines offering similar benefits, but Bulldog stands out for its commitment to natural ingredients and simplicity. It's perfect for those just getting into skincare or looking for something that doesn't require too much thought. Overall, the Bulldog Men's Skincare and Grooming Original Full Face Kit is a great choice for anyone looking for a simple, effective routine that gets the basics right. It's well suited for normal skin and daily use, providing the hydration and protection men need, especially post-shave. My husband has been using it for a few weeks now, and he's been impressed with the results. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you've used Bulldog Skincare line, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.